Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID password. Now this will be a very simple tutorial and all I'm asking for you to do is like this video and subscribe. So, let's get started. Now, first you're going to want to tap on your browser. You're going to want to open your browser. It can be any kind of browser. I'm going to use Safari and then search I forgot Apple. Just search those three words and then tap on the very first link that you can find. So, once you click the link, you will see this screen. Now, just tap on reset password and then it will take you to a screen like this. Type your email, the one that you used for your Apple ID, and then type the characters that are added to this CAPTCHA. For example, mine says VGGZ. So, just simply type your email and then the characters and then tap on continue. Then, you will be asked to type your password, your new password, the one that you want to change into. So, that's actually pretty much it. Like I said, it's very easy. Just do all of this and then type your new password, and then you finally have a brand new password that you hopefully will not forget again. So that is it for this video. If I helped you in any sort of way, please make sure to like and subscribe. And also, comment if you have any questions. That'll be it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.